Star Television and Star Records will continue to trailblaze the industry with exciting concepts and breakthrough products. With 18 fruitful years of providing world-class cinematic experience, Star Cinema will pursue its mission of giving us stories that reflect true Filipino.
Ladies and gentlemen, mga kapamilya, I will always be very grateful to Star Cinema for giving me my very first soap opera, a really wonderful experience and learning.
Vision. Filipinos saw a new landscape of drama where teleserye was born. Followed by those that captivated the hearts of not just Filipinos,
gusto ko lang bumalik sa aming kaibigan ko. Wala na yung kaibigan mo. Kaya hindi kita nakikita. Minamahal na kita. Dahil mo siguro pag nakita na kita.
But of the world,
I never said that I love you.
Two sons who abandon your mothers to the sluts and take them away.
Alam mo, Isay, mahal na mahal kita.
Since then, Philippine TV drama has emerged. Grander.
Huwag lang maintindihan nila tayo. Maintindihan nila yung pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.
Nabibigyan ko ng hustisya ang nangyari sa'yo at sa kapatid ko. Tumanak!
Ayun, Senku! Sandali!
Pilipino ka? Wish ko lang magkaroon ng trabaho!
Brighter.
You want more?
I'll give you more!
And even brought Filipinos to the boundaries of their imagination. This 2011, Star Television proudly brings you 3 masterpieces that are bound to shape Philippine TV history. Teleseries that will again redefine drama. And the longest-running drama anthology on its 20th year.
Samahan ninyo kami sa kwento ng isang inang nangarap at humarap sa mga problemang sumubok sa kanyang pamilya.
Because teleseries are stories for every kapamilya and of every kapamilya. Guns and Roses, Maria La del Barrio, MNK20, Bida Star, Kapamilya.
Pokwang in Demetria MD, Matandang Dalaga. Vogue Navarro in Feng Shui Master. Vice Ganda in Private Benjamin. Melay Cantiveros and Jason Francisco in The Adventures of Pureza, Queen of Dariles. Tony Gonzaga and Vice Ganda in Kung Fu Family. Angelica Pangaliban and Eugene Domingo lead the cast in the anticipated sequel, Here Comes the Bride 2. And the much-awaited blockbuster team-up of Vic Soto and Ay de las Alas in Ente ng Ina Mo. Scream your hearts out with our roster of horror movies. Chris Asher and Ding Dong Dantes in Segunda Mano. Cyril Manabat in Ang Bata sa Bintana. Eric Gonzalez and Derek Ramsey in Corazon ang Alaman ng Unang Aswang. And from the groundbreaking success of Cinco comes its horrifying sequel, Yes. Be touched, get inspired, and shed a few tears with our premium dramas. Catherine Bernardo and Julia Montes in Sayong Pagbabalik.
Ay talaga?
Derek Rex, Ann Curtis, and Christine Reyes in No Other Woman. And the most anticipated comeback of Julie Ann Santos with Maha Salvador and Coco Martin in Love Will Lead You Back. Fall in line in the box office with our biggest event movies of the year. Pokwang, Erich Gonzalez, Encho D, and Luis Manzano in Tubo. Coco Martin, Encho D, Martin Del Rosario, Enrique Hill, and Jay Cuenca featured the songs of the Eraserheads in Ang Kulit and Pupo. Featured in an international horror film, The Ghost Wedding. Joshua Cruz, Luis Manzano, Vong Navarro, and Billy Crawford in Canto Boys. And the megastar and the star for all seasons for the first time in Chito Roño's The Healing. Now, as a member of the Star Creatives Group, Star Cinema is happy to celebrate more years of dedicated filmmaking.
Congratulations po, umabot na po tayo na 18 years. Patuloy po tayong bibigay ng mga magagandang pelikula para sa ating sa mga nanonood, sa ating audience, sa viewers.
Congratulations on your 18th anniversary. More power to you.
Happy anniversary po. Sana ipagpatuloy niyong paggawa ng mga dekalibre at dekalidad na pelikula para marami po kayo ma-inspire at magpasaya mga manonood.
Please continue making quality films that we all know that Star Cinema has set its own standard that is just unbelievable. So once again, congratulations sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Star Cinema.
Happy 18th anniversary Star Cinema. Mahal na mahal ko kayo at good luck pa sa mga ginagawa nating mga pelikula.
Congratulations to Star Cinema sa inyong 18th anniversary and more 18 to come.
Congratulations, 18 years, debut, bongga. Pero sigurado ko na aabot yan sa golden anniversary hanggang sa diamond anniversary and patuloy na magbibigay ng quality Filipino films ang Star Cinema that all of us Filipinos can consider world class.
Star Cinema. My life.